All right, so okay, audio check. Let's see what the settings are. So the Tascam is on my back, outside, on a strap, body strap. It said I boosted it up from yesterday's test to 10. So the level is at 10. Let's go after this guy here. Level is at 10 from 5, up from 5. The mic was giving me the biggest issues, the mic mini. And that was facing, so it's mounted inside the helmet, obviously. It's mounted basically just to the left of my mouth. I had it facing left, so it's away from my mouth. My helmet is pretty loud, so lots of wind noise. Audio was pretty clear. Audio was pretty clear at, let's see, up to 90 kilometers. Anything more than that, and started clipping, even though the clipping was the clipping control was on, and the mic mini was set at -12, which is the maximum that you can set it at. And I wasn't very happy with the audio, so I figured what we need to do is maybe adjust the position of the mic, so where the actual dead cat on the mic is facing. So from the left, I put it facing up towards the visor. The visor's clipped, so it's all the way closed. So with the visor closed all the way, technically we should have less, because the only way I can see the wind getting in is from the chin mount, like not the chin mount, but the chin curtain, which I have a chin curtain. Maybe it doesn't do as good of a job. So I hope my voice is not overly loud. The idea here is the mic. I just want my voice coming through. I don't want any ambient noise. I don't want any wind. I don't want any exhaust. I don't want nothing. Just my voice. I will rely on the Tascam, which is recording basically my exhaust note, to bring in a little bit of wind noise is good. I mean, it makes it realistic. We deal with wind on the bike all the time, so I do want a little bit of wind noise, not much. And basically I want to hear the exhaust loud and clear. Mind you, this exhaust is stock, so there's only so much you can hear from it. Yeah, so that's the setup. So Tascam is at 10. All the other settings are as before. The mic mini is on -12 level. The level is on -12, and I have the high wind noise control. So it has two settings. It has off, obviously, and then it has low and high, or normal and high. So I put it on the highest one, which a lot of people say makes it sound very artificial, but I believe it makes it sound artificial. I guess these guys are going on a strike. All right. It makes it sound artificial when the only thing that you rely on is the mic mini for your voice plus exhaust ambient noise. So if that's the case, I don't really care. Let's hop on the highway here and see what it sounds like. I'm gonna try my best to keep my volume, my voice normal. People have a tendency, the louder the noise around us is, the louder we speak. It's a natural thing for us to want to be heard, want to hear our own voice. What we're going to do now is I'm going to keep the volume of my voice the same, and we're going to try to vary our speed anywhere between 100, 110, and 120. I'll basically be telling you how fast we're going, if the traffic allows us. Buck 40, 130, 120, and yeah, there's so much traffic. I don't think we'll be able to doing 105 right now, but I don't think we'll be able to adjust our speed with cars everywhere. Queensville here. Where's all these people going? I don't understand. Well, mind you, it is Saturday, so. Alright. Bit too far down, but we'll get off here. Next exit. Following traffic, doing 120. And I don't know, I hear a lot of wind noise. There's a lot of wind noise on my helmet, to the point that for this ride to be enjoyable, I should wear some ear protection. Shit, I think we're too far down. It's okay. Yeah, so I hope that doesn't transfer over to the recording, but I have a feeling that we'll see. I will pull over now, and I'm going to switch the mic orientation. Yeah, let's call it that. Mic orientation to be on the right. Spot here. Actually, let me clear this area, because people are idiots up here, and they do 300 kilometers an hour filling area readies. Freaking ninnies. I need my voice at least at 100 kilometers an hour to be clear. I never had the mic mini with my old bike. The old bike had a windscreen, so I'm getting a lot of wind, because obviously this bike isn't naked. I believe if there was a big screen, windscreen on this, think I would have that issue. But gotta work with what we have. So that bike is gone. It's been replaced by this bike. So we need to make this bike sound perfect. I did not have the mic mini with the old bike. I had the mic 2, which is supposedly a better mic. It has more options. It has more I don't know about adjustability, but every review that I see people talking about the mic mini, they kind of not in favor of using it for motovlogging, anything that has to do with high winds. They think it's a perfect mic for interview style microphone. You clip it on your shirt and you just walk around and create videos or that type of that type of style. Not for motovlogging or anything that has to do with high winds. Well, let's see if we can make it work. I'm open to using different methods, different ways of isolating the mic. Again, like I said, I think I have an advantage over these other reviewers, not in knowledge in any way, but because I have the Tascam and I'm relying on that for my external noise, the environmental noise, if you want to call it that. Let's pull in here. And that's why all I'm interested in doing is having the... Holy shit, what's going on? This guy coming here? All right. Yeah, so what I was saying, I was saying I'm just interested in having the voice coming out of the mic mini and not ambient noise. So I mean, I can use multiple dead cats. I can shove this mic anywhere in foam, have it muted, have it muted into the outside world, and basically just pick up my voice because it's right in front of my mouth, right? So all right, so let's see the mic. Oh, so I hope I was recording there. I think I was, but whatever. My DJI camera shut off as I was moving the mic. Oh well. We are recording though, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's head south. And right now I have the microphone with a dead cat. It's facing down. It faces down towards the chin curtain, and that's the place where I believe I'm getting most of my wind in my helmet, since I have all the vents taped up. Yeah, not just closed, but they're taped. So my visor is clicked shut all the way. And the side vents on this helmet are taped also, so there's no... I'm sweating buckets in here, but all in favor of good audio, right? Let's see. For me to ride a motorcycle on what, almost 30-degree weather, sweat, all because I want my audio to improve. This fucking audio better be good. That's all I gotta say. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I think we can open up a little bit as soon as we pass this town. town this is, but King. Oh, that's a city. Township of King. All right. So this is us cruising now at 60 kilometers an hour, doing the speed limit, smelling the skunks, the roadkill. They went crazy with all the speed cameras. What the heck, man? Like, how much money did they spend on all these cameras, dude? I was contemplating on buying the Action 5 because holy crap, $400. These guys have these guys have action speeding cameras. Action cameras. They have speeding cameras everywhere, and I'm pretty sure the speed cameras are a lot more expensive than a DJI. For sure. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure the sound is pretty good now since we're doing snail speed. So at 80 kilometers an hour, when the mic was facing left or up, well, up I don't know because it's on this video, so, but when it was facing left at this speed, 80 to 90 kilometers an hour, it wasn't much of an issue. I have a feeling now it's facing down, and that's where the wind is coming in. I think it will have an issue now. We'll have distortion and wind noise. Alright, so at a faster speed, pace 105, 110, 125, and I'm pretty sure my voice can barely be heard. Back to 100, and then down to 90. I believe that we can turn here. Is this where we turn? 17th, whatever. Sure. Oh no, doesn't look clean. Oh, that's a dirt road, dude. Where the hell are you going, Georgie? Georgie. Alright, I really have a feeling because I can feel wind on my chin, and the mic is facing that area where I feel the wind is coming in from, so I don't really want to waste my time here with the audio. I think it's going to be the worst spot, the worst place to face it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over somewhere here. Another side road. Is this a dirt road also? I don't know. Not really, but it didn't look the best of roads, so. Jesus Christ, every skunk here has been in a car accident. What the fuck? The whole area stinks. Jesus. Why not? Let's turn here. Let's see what this road is all about. And if we see dirt, we'll just turn around. And this strikes me as a place that they would hide a speeding camera somewhere. So let's just take it easy, chill. It's a nice neighborhood. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. So, let's see, am I recording? I think so. Yeah. This is what I call the dragon roads, because they're like this, just like the dragon. As a Chinese dragon, mind you. As the Chinese dragons fly on the sky, and their body just does the snake thing. That's what these roads remind me of. Call them Chinese dragons. I want to try and set the audio from the Tascam to the video. I want to set it with horns. I want to start doing that, because every time I'm somewhere and I start recording, I start clapping, people look at me like I'm some type of weirdo and like, what the hell's wrong with this guy, right? So I want to kind of like honk, and if anybody looks at me, I'll just wave to a random person, kind of make it look like it was a legitimate, you know, I honked to get your attention kind of thing, right? Because when I'm sitting there clapping because my bike started, people are gonna think, what, your bike doesn't start? And you're shocked when it does? And that's why you're clapping? Maybe. I have no freaking clue where I am, but you know what? This is a nice road. I'm enjoying this. Not too twisty, but I mean, it's a nice cruising type of road. Not bad at all. Whoa, my balls. So this is what I like. I love it when trees kind of create like a bridge. They come in on both sides, and you're like going right through a tunnel of trees. Freaking awesome. That's the one thing I love about north of the city. The roads. Beautiful. Temperature dropped a bit, makes it even more comfortable. So it's all good. We're cruising at about 80, 60. Hopefully the audio is good. I'm gonna stop here now. Let me stop here. Western Road. Why the frick am I all the way to Western Road? Let me pull over here for a second. Alright, so let me change the orientation of this stupid thing. Am I still recording? Yeah. So now what I did is, let me just 1 second. So what I did, I moved it back to the left, which is what I had it originally. All right. And going this way. So that's where I had it originally, and I feel, seeing how I kind of understand where the wind is coming from in the helmet, I feel that this is the best spot for it, facing left, facing my cheek pad. And not only that, what I did this time is I actually took the mic even though the magnet is pretty much set like on Velcro, so it's stuck with Velcro, and I can't really move the magnet unless I remove the whole Velcro thing, but I don't want to do that. I moved all the way as far left as I could, so the dead cat, which is the spot where the mic records, it takes in the sound, so the dead cat is right up against the foam, my cheek pad. So it's kind of like, hopefully it will act like a double dead cat, if you will. I know it's touching something, and hopefully it's not going to pick up any sounds as I'm talking, and my mouth moves, and maybe the cheek pad moves, and it's not going to grab that scratchy sound. But I have a feeling that this is a better option. We'll see. So let's adjust this at 80. Let's go 90. And right now we're at speeds that before I was clipping, and now we're doing 120. So these are speeds that I was clipping before. Up to that speed, if I can get my actually, you know what? I always talk low. What the hell? So my voice is always low. So what I want to do is I want to increase the level of my voice at 130 kilometers an hour and actually see if that sounds any better, or going back to my normal voice. Let me say hi to this guy. Yeah. So going back to my normal voice, keep my voice normal. Don't raise my voice, and you know, let the mic positioning do the rest. I'm just rambling now. I have nothing to say, so the reason why I'm talking shit and I'm talking stupid is because I actually want my voice to be constantly on recording as I'm driving at different speeds, different elevations. Not that elevations make a difference, but I want to constantly be talking about whatever, so I can hear how the mic picks everything up. Lots of bikes on this. Well, I think that's the guy that I said hi to before. So I guess this is a popular road. People going up and down on bikes. It's okay. So we're gonna go through Queensville, and then we're gonna go head east. It's 5 to 4. I want to be home within the next hour. And well, you know, I'm about an hour away, so. You know, when you see a freshly paved road like this, you have to do that. It's a must. You can't not do it. How can I resist? Come on. Like on this road here, fine. Okay, I get it. No problem. Fuck it. On that road down there, man, you have to. Come on. Come on. Let's see. What area is this? Kettleby? Kettleby. Yeah, there's a speed camera, see? I'm telling you, man, these guys went all out. Our country, our government, our province went all out. And look at this freshly paved road. Come on. Oh my God. Easy. 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 Okay. Alright, it's all good. All good, all good. Let's see, let's go Jane Street North. We'll turn here. Actually, that looks like a nice road. That looks like a very nice road. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, but then it gets boring. But this is boring too, so fuck it, let's take it. We're explorers. We're bikers. And bikers explore. Beautiful. Beautiful twisties. This is what it's about. Twisties, cemeteries, and no dirt on the road. No dirt, no dirt. This is the type of, these are the type of turns you want to go like give it, right? But hey, never been here. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Never been here before. I don't know the condition of the road. Oh, look at this. Freshly paved. Goddamn. Oh, come on. Down boy. Down boy. Down boy. Residential area. Down boy. The kids are playing. Kids are playing. Down boy. Hello. 40 zone. We're doing 43. We're good. We're law-abiding citizens. They just had to pave this frickin' residential road. God damn it, they couldn't pave back there. Anyways, it's all good. It's all good. We're just chilling. Where the heck did this subdivision thing come from? Hidden from everywhere. From everyone. Okay, speed bumps. Okay, I don't like speed bumps. And of course, now we get out of the residential area and the roads are shit. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, we're turning soon anyways, so... So this was called Kettleby. That was Kettleby. Yeah. So Kettleby has a very nice, twisty, beautiful turns. Paved, freshly paved road. That you can't go fast because there's kids playing. Well, you don't want to go fast in a residential area anyways. Alright, so I think we're going back towards King City because, why? I don't know. I have no idea why. Turkeys. Hey, turkeys. Who the fuck named them turkeys? Oh, freshly paved road. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, that's it. Not freshly paved anymore. We don't need to get excited. No excitement needed. Am I still recording? I think I am. That's good. Yeah. So. Had to do a little bit of an opening there. Get away from that traffic. Too bad I got caught at the light, because all that passing that I did back there was all for nothing. That's okay. All good. Let's chill out a bit. We did our accelerated, we had our accelerated moments. So let's chill, enjoy the scene, the scenic road. I hate that fucking phrase, man, scenic road. I always say it. Why the fuck do I always say it? Shit. That's it, I'm done. Scenic road. That's it. That's the last time I'm saying it. So what was I saying? Yeah. Roads like this, you know, these scenic roads, they're a joy. It's like therapy, man. You get to relax, chill, ride your ride. So we're back to King, and I think I should have turned here, but I didn't. So if I didn't turn there, I'm gonna turn over there. Anyways, I don't know. I think I had enough. Enough for one day of looking for new ways to eliminate the wind noise from that stupid mic. Alright, so I think I did all the recordings. All the recordings that were necessary just to check out the different settings.